Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect GatesFX to TradeLocker. And right now we are here on our dashboard, and first of all we want to create a new account. So what we're gonna do is click here on Open Demo Account, and then from here we click on Account Category and we do TradeLocker Demo. Then from here we do Continue, and then right here we select the one that we want to use. Let's do Standard. Then after this, we want initial balance of 100k, and then after that we click on Continue. Then right here you will see here your account, and if you now click on Continue, you will see here the confirmation from all the things that we need. The password, the server, and the login. Now once we click further and we lost all these details, we can also go back to our email and check in our email all the details that we need. Then from now you can download the TradeLocker simply by clicking here on downloads, and then click here on this download for Windows. We already have it, so now what we're gonna do is select right here the demo account. If you have a live account, switch then to live, and then right now we fill in all our details. So we fill in our email address, go to our email and copy paste our password right here. And we need our server, that's exactly this. Then we paste it here, then we do login. And boom, there it is. We are now on TradeLocker, and this was everything that you needed to know. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.